Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Dominic. I'm the founder of Nakura AI, and today I want to show you how easy and simple it can be to create a modern website, and you will be able to edit anything you want on this website. So basically, first we need to sign in, and just by the way, Nakura AI is fully GDPR compliant. This means full European hosting. There is no data protection concerns. So basically we are in the main hub now, and we can create easily a new website. So we just search for a random business, just to take an example. Let's go for electrician. I'm sorry for my spelling. Okay, perfect. Then we go on Google Maps and we just search for electrician. Let's search for London, so it's definitely in English. Lyon electricians. You will be our test target. So we take all this information just from Google Maps. You can add much more information if you want. As more information you add, as better it will be at the end of the day, okay? And you can also add not just business information, you can also write, make it modern, make it unique, make it very innovative, every kind of stuff. And also the color, it will consider everything. So we just press on generate, and we're gonna see how the AI is creating our website. Full mobile responsive, by the way. Also, this will take a little bit, so we just make it faster. So, and that's it. This was basically less than 5 minutes, and we have a full functional website. Everything linked in English, full European GDPR compliant, and we can edit now everything what we want. We can just talk with the AI chat. Like, for example, let's take this, and we just say, make in comprehensive electrical solutions for your home. Make for your home pink and bouncing unlimited animated. It's finding right now the correct section. So, and it did it. And you can basically change anything you want. You just talk with AI, or you ask the AI, hey, what is this exactly? How do I change this? Or whatever you want, you can do it with AI. You can create any website you basically want. You can copy it and edit it. No worries about this. And also we have advanced edit. And advanced edit gives you the possibility to change directly things. You can select everything you want. Pictures, you can change it. You can change the colors. Like of every possible icon, you would like to change the color. Oh, this was the text, sorry. You can change any color you want of every object. Change colors, pictures, text. You can imagine, it's basically unlimited, and we adding more and more over the time always. So this was the little presentation. I hope you like it. Give me a nice comment down below. Sorry for my English. I am a native German speaker living in Portugal. And please try it out. Let me what you think. Let me know what you think of, and hear you next time.